What's up, you guys? Welcome back to yet another Daily Driven Exotics vlog. And we're gonna kick this one off right downtown Beverly Hills on Rodeo Drive. And you're in for a special treat because I know you guys get a lot of this like supercharged Huracan action, but you don't get a lot of TT Huracan action. We got a special treat for you tonight.
What's up, guys?
How are you, sir?
Doing all right. What's going on?
So give yourself a shout out on my channel.
Cartel Funds on Instagram, Twin Turbo Huracan, based out of New York.
Yeah, dude. What brings you to town?
Just my last visit here before the car goes back to New York. So,
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Show me your beautiful ride, sir. Lead the way.
Check it out.
My favorite part of your car, being that I'm Canadian, is near dear to my heart, is a ski box.
Ski box?
Ski box, baby.
I can't lie. Your ski box was definitely influenced mine.
Thank you.
Down to the exact carbonite Yakima.
Yeah, you have like literally the ski box I have.
Yeah.
And you're on bags?
Bagged.
Damn. Boom. Look at that, you guys. The rear bumper.
Rear bumper's
Yeah.
out.
Well, let's just have a look at this. I like it. So you got the same wheels I have stock, but mine are gloss black. And did you redo those yourself as a custom touch?
Yeah, just powder coated. Just wanted to have something temporarily while the car was here. So just got them done in bronze.
That's cool. I really like it. It's a nice touch, man. I like what you've done here. I have this in mind too, like a custom mount system. So I'm working on that. That's why
you are working on it.
Yeah, I am working on it. So how do you have that? Yeah. So that's exactly what we were thinking. A custom mount up there and then the suction cups here. Because the suction cups hold like crazy.
I've done a buck 20 allegedly on this thing, no issues.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been pretty spot on.
We got to hear it. Get in there.
Yeah, let's do it.
Give it a little juice, a little rev, and then shut her off, and then we'll hang for a sec. You guys ready for this? Dude, that is so sick. And like, I can't believe it, like you're just straight up on the ground. Like, look at this, you guys. On the ground. There we go.
Yep.
Oh, right here. Boom. You guys give him a follow. Give this gentleman a follow. Looks sick, bro. Like, on the ground. I believe we're waiting for an Alex Choi to arrive. Surprise, surprise. Another Alex appearance in my videos. And the Carb is.
What's up?
So, how's that stock R8?
Oh my God.
We keep harassing him saying he needs to go and get. So listen, what do you guys think? Drop a comment if you think he should go and get the LMS carbon wide body kit for his car.
Ooh, I know someone who has that. It's insane.
Right?
Someone already has it?
R8 LMS.
On the previous, no, I'm talking the brand new one.
Oh, gotcha.
Gen 2.
Gotcha.
The like straight crazy one. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, go and Google Audi R8 LMS, the brand new wide body with the big wing. I'm telling Amir to go and do that to his car.
Well, I need the subscribers if you guys want me to do that. Straight up.
No, you need the car, then you get the subscribers. Dude, you don't get the respect until you've earned it, bro. Right? You gotta go build some and earn that respect.
Yeah. Yep.
Stock R8 ain't cutting it. Look at, I'm shooting into the light. I can't even see you.
Yeah.
You're ghosted.
I know.
Oh! And the Rodeo Drive shenanigans begin. What is going on? Holy sh! Wow. Tell him that's gotta be a twin turbo Viper. Damn, that thing sounded sick, right? You guys check this out. It was like up and leveled out real quick. So do you drive it at this ride height?
Yeah.
That's pretty low. And he's back. we're gonna go have a little fun, go for a little cruise. We've got a guide, a tour guide to the city. We're gonna take this thing, I think, for a tunnel blast. Holy, that sounds awesome. That sweet sound. Yes. Oh. Holy, you see the flame that came out beside us? Holy flamethrower. And that pop, I mean that pop, like my left ear, my left ear is ringing right now, ringing. Here, let me show you what's up with the supercharger. So here's the plan, you guys. We got a little tunnel action, So we're gonna bring you some high definition, super loud, rest in peace headphone users, turbo flyby in a tunnel. Are you ready for this?
Ready.
Let's do this. Here we go, guys. Turbo flyby. Holy crap. That is nuts. We do supercharger style. The boom? The boom at the end of the tunnel was like,
Wow, that's
yeah,
crazy.
I felt it in the air. Felt it in the air. Holy. What?
Insane.
Wow.
I can't get enough of that. It's just hilarious. By the way, for the record, I could never have that. Not the twin turbo part, but the shooting flames. Because my car, we could take the cats out of easily and VF could tune it to shoot flames, just like this. The only reason why my car doesn't is because if anybody back at home, any police officer saw that, that's super illegal. They can immediately take your vehicle. So I have no interest in that, but I think it's so freaking awesome that he can do that. So obviously the state of New York is a little more lenient than British Columbia. All right.
Yeah, dude.
Unreal. So I think, yeah, whatever, we can go cruise around for a bit now and maybe get another slow-mo or two and just boot around LA and see what other people we can meet up with.
Happy to do that. Yeah, it sounds good to me.
All right, let's do it. We'll let these guys lead the way. Just follow us, we'll cruise. All right, guys, look at the interior, by the way, of this car. That is just, I love this. That whole interior, but that dinging is really annoying. Why is it dinging?
He's not in there.
Oh, is it? That's the key. Not recognizing the key. Gotcha. That's like some Tron, man. Beautiful. And then you got all the crystals for the headlights. What up, peeps? Look at where we are. We're right in the meat of the situation on a Saturday night. Does this car shoot some flames or does this shoot some flames? And we're gonna see what we get for reactions down here because the last time we came down here, it wasn't nearly this busy and people were freaking out over these cars.
Last time we had my straight pipe G-Wagon.
Yeah, that was
literally
sick as hell.
How it was crazy, bro. Like I have no words how loud that thing was. I probably turned on like.
Why did you put it back? Why did you put it back?
I probably turned on like 10 car alarms. Why did I put it back? Because you've been in my house. You know how the drive is up the hill all the way up.
Yeah,
I used to turn on my neighbor's car alarms, and I can't do that. That's not cool, bro.
Fair enough. That's not a good enough excuse. He should do it again, shouldn't he? Put it in the comments.
Oh, we'll do it again.
Straight
That's
pipe
not a problem.
Straight
it's
pipe
literally like 5 minutes. We'll do it again whenever you guys want.
Well, these cars are gonna get some attention, I think. Hey.
What's up, bro?
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice
I
to
love
meet you.
meeting people who watch the channel.
That's right, big fan right every day.
More importantly, what are you guys doing out here on a Saturday night?
Hanging out with you. What are you doing?
Causing hell.
That's right.
Let's just take over one of these stars and write DDE on it.
Dude, DDE, let's do it. All right.
We're really not doing that. We're not going to deface anything, but... How's it going?
Hi.
We're just trying to leave, but these guys are all blocking it.
Yeah.
All right, guys. That sounds like it's the end of our fun. We're going to have to go.
You guys are gonna get a ticket
What for?
for parking in the red. This is just a drop off, so it's fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just look ready.
Jump in. Jump in. I ain't getting no ticket. Straight up left. Parking ticket, my ass. Ruined my fun on a Saturday night in Hollywood. She's like, stay here, you're getting a ticket. I'm like, Alex, pull up. I'm out of here. New friends to the party. Yeah. That's a license plate mount if I've ever seen one. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yes. Mr. Cash is in the house. What up, homeboy? How you doing? Car's looking sick.
Thank you, thank you.
I love the purple.
Really?
I do. Like, it's crazy. Anything that's just crazy now, I'm just in love with, like, just stupid.
The gold was good.
That's crazy.
The gold was good, but
No, this is better.
the purple's good too.
Dude, this is sick.
I ended up really liking the style of the wheels too. So
Oh, the wheels are amazing. Oh, yes. I like the license plate mount. Like, kind of like, I don't give a f. Whoa, 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 whoa. We got a bug. We got a bug. We got a bug. I'm gonna be a full-on leaper right now. Yo. That's sick. Pop, 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 pop. Holy. He was getting on it too, and then he was like, oh damn. All right, guys. Say goodnight to our boy, Mr. Cash 86. Go follow him. By the way, this is my boy who let me do all-wheel drive donuts in his beast.
Unicorn 2.0.
Yeah, man. Well, that's what's up. He's got to go. He's got an hour drive. He came out tonight.
Yep.
The flamethrower. Thank you for just showing us your car.
Absolutely. Very good to meet you.
We'll see you tomorrow at the show.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Welcome me.
Let's do it.
See you guys.
We got to finish tonight strong, so
What are we doing?
C63 donut somewhere. Nick from VF Engineering has this beautiful C63S that is hex tuned. So So it's got a ton more power.
Oh, yeah.
And we wanted to showcase a little bit of that and end the vlog properly. So we're gonna send it off proper.
Alright.
You ready for this? Let's do it. Guys, smash that subscribe button, throw me a thumbs up, give me a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love what you guys do, supporting us here at DD and all the shenanigans. There'll be more, trust me.